By now, you've seen how Superhuman Mail helps you move quickly through your inbox. And because so much communication moves between messages and meetings, in this video, we're going to look at how email and calendar work together in Superhuman Mail. So, the moment you think, we should probably meet, you can make it happen right there without switching tools. From anywhere in Superhuman Mail, you can open your calendar and see your schedule. Simply click the calendar icon on the left-hand side or hit the number 2. This is especially useful when you're reading an email and thinking, when could this actually happen? Instead of switching tabs, you can check your availability right away and keep moving. Scheduling often involves someone else. With Find Time, you can quickly see when you and a colleague are both free. Simply head over to Meet on the right-hand side. Begin to enter your colleague's email address and hit Enter. Hit Enter one more time. Now you'll see overlapping availability so you can choose a time and move forward. No more emailing back and forth to compare schedules. It keeps coordination efficient and helps you lock in next steps without slowing down the conversation. Now, let's look at one of the most common moments, an email that clearly requires a meeting. Maybe it's a check-in, a follow-up, or someone just asking to connect. From that email, you can create a calendar event by hitting B for booking. And it's done. You don't need to copy the details from somewhere else. You don't need to remember to come back later. Simply click Save or hit Command or Control Enter. You read the email, turn it into an event, and move on, all in one flow. It's a simple way to move from discussion to scheduling without breaking momentum. At this point, you have everything you need to get started with Superhuman Mail. You've seen how the inbox is organized, how actions flow, and how email and calendar fit into your day. You don't need to use all of this at once. Start small and build from there. Come back whenever you need a refresher. From here, you're not starting from zero anymore. You're building on a really strong foundation. And if you ever need help, it's always close by. Just hit Command or Ctrl+K, Help, or explore our guides, webinars, and other resources when you're ready. Thank you so much for spending time with me, and welcome to Superhuman Mail.